In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive slow download upload speed, how to speed up G Drive upload download speed. We'll walk through a few quick adjustments in Google Chrome that often make a noticeable difference when Drive feels sluggish. Follow along in your browser so you can apply each change right away. First, open Google Chrome and go to its settings. Click the three dots in the top right corner and choose Settings. Google Drive runs inside your browser, so optimizing Chrome itself can directly improve upload and download performance. Next, look for the Help section. In many versions of Chrome, you'll find this under the main menu or near the bottom of the left sidebar within Settings. Open Help, then go to About Google Chrome. Here, Chrome checks for updates and installs them automatically. Updates frequently include network and performance improvements, so being on the latest version matters. If you're prompted to relaunch, go ahead and let Chrome restart to apply the update. Once Chrome is up to date, return to the main settings page, use the search box at the top, and type the word acceleration. This is the fastest way to jump to the right control without hunting through menus. When you see the option, use hardware acceleration when available, turn it on. Hardware acceleration allows Chrome to offload certain tasks to your computer's graphics processor, which can help with overall responsiveness while drive transfers are running in the background. Chrome may ask you to relaunch to enable this. If it does, accept the relaunch so the change takes effect. Now navigate to the performance section in settings. Here, find Memory Saver and turn it off. While Memory Saver can be helpful on low RAM systems, it can also put inactive tabs to sleep. If a drive tab gets throttled, your uploads or downloads may slow down or pause in the background. Disabling Memory Saver helps keep Drive active and consistent during large transfers. Just keep in mind that this can use a bit more memory, which is normal. Finally, refresh your internet connection. Close your internet connection and open it again. In practical terms, that means disconnect and reconnect your network so you start a clean session. This simple reset clears minor connection hiccups and can route you to a better path to Google's servers. That's it. Update Chrome, enable hardware acceleration, turn off Memory Saver, and refresh your connection. Now test by uploading or downloading a file in Google Drive and watch for improved stability and speed. If performance still struggles, the bottleneck may be your local network or service provider, but these changes often deliver a quick and reliable boost.